Welcome to this step-by-step guide on sharing your Google form with the public. In this tutorial, you will learn how to take your form from creation to being available for anyone to access and respond. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the Google Forms website. Once there, you have the option to either pick an existing form from your collection or start fresh with a new form. If you already have a form that you plan to share, it is advisable to review it carefully to ensure that all the questions and settings are as intended. If you are creating a new form, this is your chance to craft the questions and layout specifically for your audience, making sure that the form is clear, concise, and user-friendly. After you have selected your form, the next step involves working with the responder link. Locate the option that allows you to copy the responder link. When you click on this option, the link provided acts as a unique URL that will eventually allow your audience to access the form. At this moment, it is important to verify that the responder link matches your expectations. This link is essential because it is the key that connects your form to your audience without any additional complications or barriers. Once you have accessed the responder link, your next action is to publish your form. Publishing is a critical phase because it transforms your form from a draft into an active, live document that your audience can interact with freely. Clicking the Publish option updates your form settings, ensuring that it is ready for public access. Make sure during this phase to check that all the necessary permissions are correctly set up, so that no unintended restrictions will hinder your audience from submitting their responses when they click on the link. Following the publishing step, you will once again need to copy the responder link. After publishing, this newly updated link confirms that your form is now openly available and that all changes have been saved successfully. This copied link is what you will share via email, social media platforms, or on your website. Sharing this link effectively allows anyone interested to access your form and provide the responses you need. It is crucial to keep this link handy for distribution because it serves as the conduit for your gatherings of data or feedback. To summarize the process, you begin by visiting the Google Forms website and then either select an existing form or create a new one for your specific needs. After finalizing your form's content, you locate the option to copy the responder link to ensure you have the correct URL at hand. You then proceed to publish your form, which makes it accessible to the public, and finally you copy the published responder link to share with your intended audience. By attentively following each of these actions, you secure a smooth transition from form creation to public availability. Now that you have a complete walkthrough, you can confidently share your Google form with your intended audience, knowing that every detail has been carefully managed. Enjoy the process and the interaction that your form will invite.